Hey everyone, Kevin and Miss Kitty here from Missouri Clark Life.
Hi guys.
So we're up here at the Pomme de Terre Dam again, and tonight they're going to be shooting off fireworks. So we come up here to check it out. Been up here a couple of different times. They do a really good job of the fireworks, so we'll see what happens tonight. And they will be shooting them off from that bank clear across there.
Buzzards are gonna watch too.
Yeah, we got a bunch of buzzards hanging out on the spillway part of the dam.
Some of the boats are getting ready.
And they've got a bunch of boats. There's usually a lot of boats that come up here, so the boats are just now starting to come into the lake. This will be really packed with boats for too long, just for dark. And to top it off, we got a really pretty sunset going on. So hang out with us, folks, and when the lights go out and the sun sets and we get to see some fireworks, we'll see if we can get some of them on the camera for you. So from Missouri Clark Life, we'll see you in a bit.
See you later.
Hey, just wanted to give everybody an idea of the crowd that's starting to form here down here at the Pomme de Terre Dam. We're at the Corps of Engineers parking lot right up here at Pomme de Terre Dam. They've got their security. The Hickory County Sheriff's Department's up here making sure everybody's safe. Fire and Rescue's up here to make sure everybody's safe and everything. So it's definitely going to be a good time. We have some special guests with us today, but they're kind of camera shy and they don't want to be on camera. But it's my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, Bob and Janet. And Bob's Miss Kitty's brother, and Janet is Miss Kitty's sister-in-law. So they're kind of bashful and didn't want to be on the camera, so I can't film them. But just wanted to know that they are special guests at the first time they've got to see the fireworks off the dam. So we brought them up here and we're going to have a good time. And we'll get some pretty good pictures of fireworks before it's over. So we'll talk to you later from Missouri Clark Live. Bye-bye. Just wanted to give everybody an idea of how the boats are doing out here. Got quite a few boats moving in. Kind of having a little hard time focusing on them. Definitely got quite a few. I've seen a lot more in past years, but there's still quite a few out here now. Won't be long and the fireworks will be booming up in the sky, so stay tuned. Yeah, I thought I'd do a quick picture. We're going to have a full moon tonight too, so that'll be kind of a neat backdrop to some of the fireworks that's going to go off. The moon's coming up just about straight over where the fireworks are going to be, a little bit off to the north of them, but that'll be pretty cool too. That moon really sets it off, don't it?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That is awesome.
Oh, praise God for that.
I mean, it's perfectly lined up.